In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your picture image to Microsoft Outlook and Teams working remote. This is a quick, straightforward tutorial you can follow from any web browser, and when you're done, your photo will show up across Outlook and Microsoft Teams, helping colleagues recognize you easily while you're working remotely. First, open your preferred browser and sign in to your Outlook account. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon. If you haven't set a photo yet, it may just be your initials inside a circle. Click that icon to open the menu, then choose My Profile. This takes you to your Microsoft account profile where your picture is managed. On the profile page, look for the option to add or change your photo. Depending on what you see, it might say Add a photo or change photo. Either option leads to the same place and will update your profile picture. Click it, then select Add a photo if prompted. A file picker will open. Browse to the image you want to use on your computer or device. Choose a clear, well-lit picture, ideally a head and shoulders shot with your face centered, and then press Enter or click Open to upload it. After the image loads, you'll see simple editing tools. Use the zoom slider to frame your face so it's easy to recognize and rotate the image if it's sideways. Take a moment to align it the way you like. A neutral background and good contrast help your photo look professional across different screens. When you're happy with the preview, click Save. That's it. Your profile image is now updated. In most cases, the change appears in Outlook immediately and will sync to Microsoft Teams as well. If you don't see it right away in Teams, give it a little time or refresh your app. Background syncing can take a few minutes depending on your organization's settings. If you run into an error or don't see the option to change your photo, it may be restricted by your company's administrator, so you might need to reach out to your IT support. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Common image formats like JPG or PNG work best, and using a recent high-quality photo helps others identify you quickly in meetings and emails. Keep the image appropriate for a work setting and avoid adding personal details directly in the picture. And that's how to add your picture image to Microsoft Outlook and Teams while working remote. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials.